Hi, my name is Michael Lassen, and I'm going to be speaking at the Morten Hage Summit in Oslo in September. And what I'm going to be talking about is the concept called Congruent Man. And the reason why I came up is that 3 times this year Morten has invited me to Oslo to do the seminar called Congruent Man. And the results were absolutely spectacular. People got amazing results. And Morten gave me the challenge that, well, if you could combine the best parts of that seminar into a 1-hour speech, how would you do it? And I said, wow, that's going to be a cool challenge. So that's what I'm going to be doing in Norway in September. It's going to be a pretty amazing seminar. I just did a similar speech here in Denmark at an event which we're at right now, and people were absolutely loving it. They got many concrete things out of it and many things that they can build into their future with getting better and better results. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in Norway. It's going to be a kick-ass event. It's a fantastic course, and you're going to meet a lot of people, a lot of great speakers, networking, going out and having fun. Oslo is an amazing city. So see you in September. Bye for now.